Again, in this question, we are being asked to solve the following system of equations graphically on the set of axes below. So you have your system of equations. Notice this first one is in slope-intercept form. The second one is in standard form. But we can simply graph these two and look at where they intersect, okay, to determine the solution. Now you're going to have to graph it on here. So the first one is in slope-intercept form, so that was not too difficult. We start at -8, and then we have a slope of -3/2. So if we were at -8, and the slope was -3/2, I could actually call it +3/-2. So I'm going to go up 3 and to the left 2. I'm going to graph it right there, okay? Or again, we could say our slope is -3, +2, okay? Regardless, it's a negative slope. It goes downhill from left to right. The second equation, you're going to have to put it into y equals mx plus b form, all right? And when we do that, we learn that the equation is going to be y equals So the equation is actually going to be y equals 3/4 x plus 1. So we will start it here at +1, and then we will have a rise of 3 and a run of 4. And that is our second slope. And then there you can see that the intersection is here at -4, -2. And then that's where you'll scroll down here and you'll put in your answer in parentheses and hit submit.